I'm Caroline and welcome to my channel. And I am finally back after a couple of months of break dealing with some personal things, getting some personal things done. But I am back with such an exciting review. Yes, another review. I love to review things. And today I'm going to review the coveted new Jawbreaker palette, and I'm just really excited. I always say that I'm excited in my reviews, but I really am. Like, this is Jeffree Star's biggest palette and the most colorful palette, so I'm really excited to try it out. Also I keep talking with my hands because I got some nails, so she got to talk with her hands. Also, I am obsessed with this packaging. Isn't it just gorgeous? And this is what the palette itself looks like. It's just so beautiful. I actually really like the white packaging more than the pink, but I think it's really pretty. And I also got another item, not just the palette. She got another item. I got a liquid lipstick in the shade Fully Nude, and I only got this color because it was the only color I really liked from that whole bunch. Really, honestly, the only color I think that I will wear out. The other ones are nice, but it's just not for me. So before beginning this video, please subscribe to my channel. Press that big red rectangular red button that says subscribe. Also hit that bell notification so you know every time I upload a video. And make sure you follow me on my social media. Everything will be here on the screen and also in my description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And I will also have all the details of the products I used on my face in this video in the description box, so make sure you check that out, and also on my Instagram page. And let's just start this. Okay, let's get serious for 1 minute. Let's get real serious for 1 minute. Yes, this palette is beautiful. Yes, but it costs $58, and that's just, it's so expensive. It's so expensive. But the reason it costs that much is because it's the biggest palette he has created. It has another row of shades, and you'll see when I open her up. Let me stop the jibber jabber, just letting you know how much it costs. And the liquid lipstick is $18. So stopping all this jibber jabbering, let me open her up. And this is what the palette looks like, and that's just wow. It's a wow moment. It really is a wow moment. Like, whew. Like, looking at this palette, my eyes go straight to this yellow shade right here, the shade Wow. It is a wow color, and the palette does come with a mirror, so that's a good thing. All of Jeffree Star's palette come with mirror, and the mirror is very nice quality mirror. I went and got it in the Morphe store. I will insert a clip here of how the gondola looked in the Morphe store because it was really nice. So just to tell you a little bit more about this palette, it brings 17 matte shades and 7 metallic / shimmer shades. Now let's just get into that live swatches. Okay, so those were all the swatches of the shadows. I hope you guys liked it. I will say there was some that were like really pigmented and some that were not so pigmented that needed one or two more coats on it. Now let's get into the eyeshadow look. So the only thing I have on my face right now is foundation because my skin just been acting all crazy. So I had to put something on and I filled in my eyebrows a bit. Okay, so I started playing with this palette and this is what I came up with. I really like how the colors mix together. I like the look together. It looks nice and raspberry, orangey-ish goodiness. I really like how it came out, so I'm gonna show you how to do it on this eye. So first thing first, playing with this palette, I was actually doing a purple look, but I wasn't really feeling it, so I took it off. And I just want to say these shadows have more fallout than his Blue Blood and Blood Sugar palette. That's the biggest thing I noticed. Fallout doesn't really bother me. I'm just letting you know that the shadows do have fallout. Even the shimmers got a little bit of fallout too. That's basically what I noticed. Everything is really nice and pigmented, as you can see. Everything blends really nicely. The shadows are beautiful. And let me just start the eyeshadow look. So first shade I'm gonna use is the shade Suck, and it's this very bright orange as my transition shade. And I just put in it above my crease, and as you can see, pure pigment, super pigmented. Now I'm picking up the shade Fuck. This is very light orangey shade. It's very light, I would say more peachy than anything, peachy pinky color. And using this Morphe N507 from the Living Color Brush Collection, I'm just gonna pick up a little bit and I'm gonna blend it up here. Now using this e.l.f. 205 eyeshadow brush, I'm picking up the shade Licorice, which is a very true matte red. I'm going to start in the outer corner. Now I want to darken up that outer corner like I did here, and for that I'm going to be picking up the shade called Raspberry, and it's this deep plummy raspberry shade that's called Raspberry. First, starting off here, and I'm just doing small swipes so that color can get stamped onto the eyes. Just back and forth, back and forth. You see how that color just built it up? That's what you want. And to make it dark like I did here, I picked up a little bit of Delicious, which is this deep purple shade, but literally I just tapped it. Just went in this much and then I tapped off the excess, and it's just light patting just to make it more plummy than raspberry. Okay, now I'm going to be cutting the crease, so I grab a little bit of my peelies in the back of my hand and this very precise concealer brush, and this is from Alamar Cosmetics. So I'm just gonna place it here, look up, and wherever that line is, I'm just gonna go above it because I want my crease to be more exaggerated. Now I'm gonna go back to my Morphe N456, the very small precision outer corner blender brush. Going back to that raspberry shade, which is that dark raspberry shade. Maroony, plummy purple. Not purple, purplish. I don't know how to explain this shade, but you burgundy-ish, you know what I mean. So yeah, grabbing some of that and then just hitting that outer corner, because if you left this set, it's gonna be really, you're gonna see a separation from the concealer and the eyeshadow. We don't want that. Blend that outer corner. And also picking up some of that delicious shade, that dark purpley blue. Just a little bit, just like the smallest amount, if you can even see that. And just tapping it over here so it can just darken up that corner. But you don't want too much of it. Picking up the shade Orange Juice, which you can see I just destroyed that star. This eyeshadow is just wow. The pigment on this is like insane. Tapping off the excess, and I'm placing that right in the middle. Now that that's blended, I'm going to add the shade Good Morning, which is this light pinky shade right here, and that's gonna go in the inner corner just to set that, and applying it right here, just damping it on and blending it into the orange. Okay, now I'm gonna finish off the rest of my face off a camera, and I'll be back to show you the highlighter I'm gonna use and the lips. Okay, so I applied my concealer, set it, I applied my bronzer, I applied my blush, which I use my new favorite Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio, and I use this middle shade called Isla. So beautiful on my cheeks. Just a little bit because they very pigmented. And for highlighter, I was looking into the palette, right? And I was looking and I was thinking I can use the shade Snack or Jawbreaker as a highlighter. I use my Morphe N510 highlighter brush and just lightly tap it and apply it to the skin and see what happens. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna add a little bit of Snack, that nice pink tone, on top of it, and let's see what happens. Okay. Yeah, definitely Snack did that. Look at that. Ooh. So I'm here to show you my last product that I bought here, and I'm gonna throw some pictures here of the rest of the collection because I only got a couple of things that really spoke to me, that I really liked. And the only lipstick shade I liked was the Fully Nude shade. And this retails for $18. And this is what it looks like. And the packaging is gorgeous. I love this neon green. And it is a very nice terracotta-y nude. I'm going to give you a swatch here. So this is a swatch of the lipstick. So this is a lipstick shade, and she a little too light for me right now, but it's okay. I'm gonna add a gloss on top of it after I show you guys what it looks like. So I'm going to be putting on the Jeffree Star The Gloss in the shade Shockwave, and it's this nice glittery, I would say it's a nice glittery like peachy champagne kind of shade. This is the applicator, and I'm just gonna add that on top. And this is what it looks like with this Shockwave gloss. I think it looks so pretty. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and you guys like this look. I really hope this actually helped you. I think the palette is still available now. Well, I'm recording this on Friday when it released, and I'll be putting this up on Sunday, Monday, so maybe not will be available. But if you're close to a Morphe store, definitely pick her up. She is amazing. If you subscribe, like, and comment down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.